Her little toes on tip of grass, chasing bugs to watch them pass. Sky is wide and world so small. Toddlers laugh and down they fall. Cotton clouds and big blue sky. Tiny hands reach up so high. Butterflies in sunny glen, grubby fingers catch them then. Humming bees and honey trees, tiny hiccups in the breeze. Shadows play on garden gate, every day they celebrate. Puddle jumps in splashy feet. Rainboots on the path they meet. Mud and giggles in the air. Parents smile and take them there. Stars come out and moon peaks too. Dreams are waiting just for you. Blankets snug and teddy tight. Off to dreamland, say goodnight. Humming bees and honey trees, tiny hiccups in the breeze. Shadows play on garden gate, every